years, you can rebuild yourself and be happy again. Hi, my name is Laura Espinosa. I am 33 years old. I was born in Tijuana, Mexico. I am the middle daughter of three siblings. I have a family here in the United States. I really like to go to the beach, going to the spa, and I really like to shop in TJ Maxx. I have two children. They are 10 and 6 years old. I really love the cats. I don't like to cook. I don't like to exercise. And I got my divorce 3 years ago, so I am a single mom. I work for the district school here in Carlsbad in the after school programs with the little kids. And having gone through such a difficult time, challenging processes impact my life and left a deep scars. But at the same time, I have felt strong to life from a different and a lot of energy today. I am more eager than ever to achieve my goals and enjoy my life with my two children. That's why I immigrated to the United States without my parents and my siblings.